Have you ever wondered why Korean cuisine has taken the world by storm? Well, it's time to dive into the world of Korean stir-fries and find out. At number 8, we have Sizzling Vegetable Delight. Imagine a hot pan, sizzling with a vibrant array of vegetables, each bite bursting with flavors as fresh as a garden in spring. Moving down the list to number 7, we find the savory shrimp and broccoli stir-fry. Picture succulent shrimp, sautéed to perfection, paired with crisp green broccoli that adds a satisfying crunch to every mouthful. At number 6, the zesty chicken and bell pepper medley will certainly grab your attention. This dish combines tender pieces of chicken with brightly colored bell peppers, creating a visual and culinary feast. Sliding into the 5th spot, the tofu teriyaki temptation offers a vegetarian delight. Soft tofu soaks up a flavorful teriyaki sauce, creating a dish that's both satisfying and nutritious. Number 4 brings us the garlic ginger beef bliss. This dish boasts juicy beef, cooked to perfection and infused with the heady aroma of garlic and ginger. Coming in at number 3 is the spicy kimchi seafood stir-fry. This dish combines a kick of spice with the richness of assorted seafood and the unique tanginess of kimchi for a truly unforgettable experience. The runner-up in our countdown at number 2 is the sesame spinach sensation. This dish features nutrient-packed spinach, lightly sautéed and drizzled with a savory sesame sauce. And finally, the moment of truth. At the top of our countdown, the number 1 spot goes to the Bibimbap Extravaganza. This ultimate Korean stir-fry showcases a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that will make your taste buds sing. That concludes our top 8 countdown of quick and nutrient-packed Korean stir-fry recipes. Now get those pans sizzling and enjoy the culinary adventure. Before we wrap up, we've got something exciting to share. If you loved exploring these Korean stir-fry recipes, we're sure you'd enjoy our upcoming series on healthy international recipes. So, hit that subscribe button below and join us on this culinary journey around the globe. You wouldn't want to miss out on the delectable dishes we've got lined up for you. From the sizzling streets of Mexico to the fragrant kitchens of India, we're bringing the world to your dining table. So subscribe and let's continue this food adventure together.